The Netcare Group has significant hospital operations in South Africa and the UK. The market cap here is 37 billion rand, PE of 18.6, dividend yield of 3.8%.
Yeah. It's interesting, we look at the share price, they all peaked sort of mid-2015 and they've all come down, even the US company. You know, so it's interesting that these were wonderful shares to own, but they've come under severe strain. Look, operations in South Africa also expanded into the UK. They've got a company called BMI there that's actually getting about 45% of their business is from the UK NHI, and that's growing quite significantly. So the UK operations the underlying operations are actually doing quite well, but the profits are down because they're facing huge rental escalations on the underlying.
They did do some time ago a whole debt restructuring. Correct. But that's over and done, yeah. And kind of they've ticked that box.
But expenses in the UK are growing quicker than revenue is at the moment. So the UK earnings were down quite significantly, and of course the weak pound, strong rand scenario does not help earnings either.
And you can't see that abating anytime soon.
Very solid group, well led by Richard Friedland, great history, top medical facilities, but just unfortunately in two markets that people are a bit sort of miffed about, one being South Africa, the other being the UK, Brexit concerns, etc., etc.
That is their opportunity.
Probably, because, you know, the new Christian Barnard Hospital in Cape Town is fantastic. They've done a lot of asset optimization. You know, when businesses don't do all sorts of new deals, they can at least attend to the careful management of their existing assets.
Yeah, look, a few distortions in the results, you know, as Paul said, the sale of the Cape Town, of the Barnard Hospital there, and there was also some swap readjustments in the UK business. It was very noisy in it. You know, as you said earlier on, investors don't want their brains scrambled at all. But the BMI operation's actually fair. It's actually a nice operation. Once you get all the noise behind you and they get past these rental escalations, the patient growth is actually quite reasonable.
I'm going to sneak a little hot in there. I think that this one has the underlying business and the...
We have previously owned it.
Yeah, a long time ago we sort of dabbled with both of the two of them. Since then, Mediclinic did a lot better, and, you know, since then it's all been all over the place. So yeah.
No, I'll sit back on this one.
You're not going to go hot. You're going to give it a little hot.
Yeah,
I'll allow a little hot on this.